videos what I have captured today. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so directly Telegram page. This is my head position. The position here, and I went short. You can look over here. This particular position is running here. So the total PNL is around 13,800. So why did I book profit at the bottom here only? I'll just show you the reason behind this booking the profit. This is one of the case. I'll just show you directly. We will go on the Go Charting platform pay mid cap. This is our mid cap chart. Refresh. I'll just refresh it once so that you get a clear understanding about the delta. I exited somewhere around here. Market was hovering for a long period of time in this particular region. You can look over here. और ये line जो आपको दिख this green color line, ठीक है? ये लाइन आया कहां से? I'll just show you from where did I get this particular level position book किया. You're seeing here this green color line. That is the reason I booked my profit here. If you have any difficulty, you just observe it. Just look at this is unmitigated order blocks. Unmitigated in the sense, or we can call it as a virgin order block. We have got enough buyers holding their buy position in this particular location so that you get a better understanding. We'll delete this. Okay. We are seeing them. We call something as a limit order. Excuse me guys for the handwriting. So something called as limit orders are sitting here.